Welcome to the introduction to Audi A6 C8 lights and vision settings. This video explains how to find and manage the lights and vision settings on your Audi A6 C8 from 2018 to present. To access the lights and vision settings on your Audi A6 C8, start by pressing the Car menu on your MMI touchscreen. This will open the main vehicle settings interface. Then navigate to the Lights and Vision submenu. This section contains all the lighting-related settings for your vehicle. Here, you'll find submenus for DRL, coming home, and beam settings, where you can customize each feature according to your preferences. On newer models, you can also use voice commands for hands-free operation, such as saying, "Activate coming home lights" to control the feature directly. Daytime running lights, or DRL, are LED-based lights that automatically activate during daylight to improve vehicle visibility. According to NHTSA studies, they can reduce accident risk by 10 to 20%. In the Audi A6 C8, DRLs are standard equipment and operate using sensors that detect ambient light levels. To configure DRL settings, navigate to the MMI system's Lights and Vision menu, then select Daytime Running Lights. Here you can toggle them on or off, and on select model years, adjust their intensity. The lights automatically dim at night or when parking to conserve battery power. The Coming Home feature illuminates your path after locking the Audi A6 C8 at night. Headlights stay on for 30 to 120 seconds, adjustable through the Lights and Vision menu. You can customize duration and brightness on compatible models. Activate via key fob or the Audi Connect app, with GPS integration enhancing path illumination in urban areas. Beam refers to the high beam functionality, including automatic switching between low and high beams based on traffic detection via front cameras. Find the settings under Lights and Vision Beam in the MMI touchscreen. The system uses infrared sensors and cameras for real-time adjustment, detecting oncoming traffic automatically. It dims the high beams to prevent glare, and on matrix LED models, creates a corridor of light around obstacles. You can manually override this with the stock switch, and the dashboard indicator shows the current state. Studies show adaptive beams reduce nighttime fatalities by 8%. Newer Audi A6 C8 models from 2022 onward feature advanced matrix LED headlights that adapt intelligently to driving conditions. These headlights work with the car's advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The matrix LED headlights adjust their light pattern dynamically, creating illuminated and dimmed zones to avoid blinding other drivers while maintaining optimal road visibility. The beam settings automatically create a corridor of light around obstacles, enhancing safety by illuminating the path while avoiding glare. Unlike conventional headlights that provide uniform illumination, matrix LED systems precisely control individual LED segments for targeted lighting that doesn't blind oncoming traffic. These systems often receive over-the-air updates to improve performance and add new features through Audi's software ecosystem. The matrix LED system integrates with ADAS sensors, including radar, cameras, and ultrasound for comprehensive adaptive lighting that responds to the driving environment. Some users report occasional software glitches with the lighting system. These are typically resolved via dealership updates or over-the-air updates. If you experience flickering daytime running lights or inconsistent coming home behavior, check for available software updates or consult your Audi dealer. Keep your MMI software up to date to ensure optimal performance. Automotive lighting is rapidly evolving towards more intelligent and adaptive systems. Future A6 models will integrate lighting with navigation data for predictive illumination, ensuring optimal visibility based on your route. Additionally, V2X communication will allow lights to anticipate pedestrian movements, enhancing safety in urban environments. AI-driven systems and a focus on sustainability are key trends, with laser headlights offering extended range by 2030. Regularly updating your car's software through over-the-air updates ensures you benefit from these advancements. In conclusion, understanding and managing your A6 C8's lights and vision settings significantly improves safety and enhances your overall driving experience.